Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TurboTax for gig income reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official TurboTax website. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, click on Start for free to create a new one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your TurboTax dashboard. Locate the section labeled Income. Click on Add Income to begin reporting your gig income. Select Self-Employment or 1099 based on how you received your earnings. If you received a 1099 form, click on 1099 MISC or 1099 NEC. If you're reporting self-employment income without a 1099, select the appropriate option. You will need to provide details about your services, such as description and income amount. TurboTax will guide you through additional questions related to your expenses. Make sure to document all relevant business expenses. This may include equipment, travel, or home office costs. Once you've entered all income and expense details, double-check for accuracy. Review the summary of your income reporting. TurboTax will calculate your estimated taxes based on the information provided. If everything looks correct, proceed to the next step. Follow the prompts for any additional sections that may apply to your financial situation. After completing your income reporting, you can move on to the filing process. Choose whether to e-file or print your return for mailing. Make sure you have your tax information ready for any additional sections. Confirm your submission and follow the instructions for payment if necessary. Once submitted, you will receive confirmation of your filing. Keep a record of your submission for your personal files. You are now ready for any potential audits or reviews related to your gig income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.